Hey everyone, I'm Claire and this is Spoony Kitchen. And today I'll be showing you how to make these amazing blueberry yogurt muffins, which are a slightly healthier version and they are perfect if you have gastroparesis. To start off, you would want to set your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you would want to line your muffin tray with paper liners and set that aside. Then you would want to take a large mixing bowl and get a scale and measure out 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Then you want to add 200 grams of granulated sugar. That's a bit too much, but that's okay because we can get them out. Then you would want to add your baking powder and salt and just put that in there. Then you want to take your lemon, and what I prefer doing with the lemon is just rolling it on the kitchen countertop so that all the flavors of the lemon get into the zest. And then you want to zest around 2 tablespoons worth of lemon zest. And if it is a little bit more lemon zest, that's totally fine because it will work perfect with the blueberries. Then you would want to give that a quick whisk so that everything is combined. Then you want to put that aside and we'll do the wet mixture. In a separate bowl, you want to add 6 tablespoons of milk, and I'm using lactose-free milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 6 tablespoons of full-fat Greek yogurt, 12 tablespoons of oil, and I'm using extra virgin Greek olive oil, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you want to give that a quick whisk until everything is combined. Then in a separate bowl, you would want to add 1 cup of blueberries. And just eat one while you're at it. And then you would want to add around 1 tablespoon of flour and toss it around the blueberries. And this is so the blueberries don't sink to the bottom of your muffins. Once that's done, you would want to set it aside and let's mix the batter up. Then you would want to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and using a spatula, you want to carefully fold in all the ingredients until just combined, but you still see some flour around the edges. And you want to be careful not to overmix this mixture because otherwise your muffins won't be nice and soft and fluffy and tender. Once that's done, you would want to add your blueberries and slightly, gently fold them into the batter. Using an ice cream scoop or just 2 spoons, you just want to scoop a bit of the batter in each liner. You can always add a little bit more of blueberries on top if you feel like there aren't enough blueberries in the muffin. Then you want to place your muffins into the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for around 6 minutes. And then you want to reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 175 degrees Celsius and bake them for a further 22 minutes. Let them cool down in the muffin pan for around 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool down completely. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do try out this muffin recipe, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and see you next time.